To change your age on Facebook, click on your profile photo and click on settings and privacy and go to your Facebook settings. In settings, go to account center. Under profiles, under account settings, you have to select here personal details and select birthday. And here, click on edit. Now you can choose from one of your previous birthday. So you can select any of the old birthday from here. If none of these are correct, you can just click on contact us. And then here you find this request a birth change form. Select here your exact birth year and select a reason for this change. And you have to upload your NID or your passport to prove that this birthday and birth month is your valid birth year. So select here your correct birth date, month and day. Upload your valid documents here and then click on send, and Facebook will verify. After that, your new birthday will upload to your Facebook. Thanks for watching.